Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your any Android phone icons from normal mode to theme mode easily. So before we get started, I want to tell you that if you want to change your icons from normal to theme mode, you must be having Android 13 because this feature is only available for Android 13 devices only and above. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you have to go to settings. So after entering settings, search accessibilities. You can go manually or just search it. So after entering accessibilities, scroll down and you will see an option themed icon. Just enable it and that's it. That's how you can change your normal icons to themed icons. Now go to home page. Now here you can see my icons has been changed from normal to themed icons, and that's it. That's how you can change your icons from normal to theme mode in Android 13 and above Android. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.